ABC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hope you've had a great weekend so far. Maybe that included hanging out by the pool or out on the water to try and cool off a little bit, because it definitely had a summer-like feel if you were outside today. Feel like temperatures getting into those 90s. The good news was we did have a little bit of a breeze, which helped things out a little bit, but that's all setting the stage for what could be rounds of storms by the time you wake up tomorrow morning. But the good news is they hopefully can get out of here and we can at least salvage the second half of our weekend tomorrow afternoon. Taking a look on the big picture, you can see all those showers and storms back out of the Great Plains now beginning to push into the Missouri Valley, with warnings extending pretty much from St. Louis all the way down back into east and southern Texas, down towards the San Antonio area. Along this line of storms that is now beginning to push through Arkansas, producing lots of bad weather. We've had numerous tornado reports earlier in the day. It's kind of turned more into a line of very gusty winds out ahead of it, but we still have a couple thunderstorm and tornado warnings at this hour. That's what we're going to have to watch closely, but you can see it kind of dies out just to the south of Dallas, so we might not see too much. We're going to have to kind of keep an eye on the trends through the rest of this evening and see if that tail end begins to redevelop, but I will still keep a good chance for at least some scattered showers and storms through the overnight and into our Sunday morning. But for our Saturday, that southerly breeze has been keeping us mostly sunny and keeping the storms away for a better part of the day. Did have a few isolated showers first thing this morning, but you can see most of the radar has been dry and clear throughout much of the afternoon, and I think we're going to stay that way through the evening. But it is going to be very muggy. As mentioned, feel like temperatures today got as high as 96, still at 92 at the airport here in Lafayette, 91 for a feel like temperature in New Iberia, most other spots in those upper 80s. So feeling very much like summer today. But as I mentioned, we had that comfortable breeze that was pretty breezy throughout most of the day, anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour coming straight out of the south-southeast, or more of a southerly now here in the last hour or so, giving us a little bit of the mixing and making it feel a little nicer, creating some very choppy conditions though offshore. As you can see, winds up around 20-30 miles per hour, so maybe a good idea just to keep the boats in the bays over the weekend and into our tomorrow. So here we go. There's that line of storms beginning to get closer to us, beginning to move into the western and northern portions around 2-3 o'clock in the morning. This slowly then continues to track off to the east, getting closer to Lafayette around 5-6 o'clock in the morning. So by the time you're waking up tomorrow morning around 7-8 o'clock, that's when we could be dealing with these lines of showers and thunderstorms pushing into the area. You can see with this, definitely seeing the reds, but not really seeing all the purples. So good chance for some strong, rumbles of thunder, but I'm not really expecting too much in the line of severe weather as it makes its way into our area. Most of this is out of here, maybe still hanging down in the St. Mary Parish by 9-10 o'clock in the morning, and pushing into the afternoon. It looks like we should have a nice day with at least a good bit of drying. So our other model, we're going to go over to the NAM, shows that line of storms beginning to push into western portions of Acadiana, but this model kind of has it fizzing out as it tries to make its way into our area. So still something we're going to have to watch, see how the latest trends go, but maybe we'll still keep about a 60-70% chance for at least a few scattered showers first thing in the morning, drying up in the afternoon, and then by Monday a new area of high pressure begins to move in, drying us out and warming us up as we move into next week. So after tomorrow, I think rain chances are pretty much done for at least the next 7 days or so. We are still under a marginal to slight risk for severe weather this evening, but we'll have to watch the trends. It looks like that might get downgraded as the evening goes on if the storms continue to fall apart a little bit, and then into tomorrow morning, still keep that marginal risk for some of the stronger storms off to the east, but damaging wind gusts looks to be the main threat as those storms push into the area tonight and into tomorrow. Also, with the warmer temperatures and as we move closer and closer to the summer, we'll have to start watching the tropics. They are keeping an eye on this area of showers and storms out to the east. 40% chance that it could maybe turn into something a little later on, but not really expecting anything with that. But in the meantime, back here, warm and muggy, 76 for that low. If there's scattered showers and storms developing late, a few storms could be strong to severe first thing tomorrow, but for the most part, I think just rounds of showers begin our day, and then warm and humid getting into the 80s. We dry out and warm up with lots of 90s by the time we push into the week. And you could even be pushing mid to upper feel-like temperatures by next weekend. Definitely a summer-like feel, but good news is looks to be dry for your Memorial Day plans next weekend.